Here's a fact that may not be known to you. As soon as you step out of your apartment, everyone is vying to sell you something and take your money. Make no mistake, if you don't take proper care and make an effort to protect your money, it will slip away from you. However, there are ways to safeguard against this. Here are simple money rules that you need to follow. Have enough cash, but consider inflation. In the past, currencies used to be backed by gold or other precious metals, ensuring their value. However, those days are gone. Holding all your wealth in cash is a bad idea due to inflation. Inflation refers to the general increase in prices over time, reducing the value of your money. It affects the cost of living, the value of your assets, and your investments. For example, if you have $10,000 in a savings account with a 1% interest rate per year and the inflation rate is 3%, your purchasing power will decrease by 2% annually. This means you'll lose money in real terms. Additionally, high interest rates usually require locking your money for extended periods. Striking the right balance between cash and investments is crucial, considering inflation and unexpected expenses. Determine your risk tolerance. Risk tolerance refers to your willingness to accept potential financial losses for higher returns. It impacts your investment strategy and overall financial well-being. Consider your investment goals, investment horizon, current financial situation, including debt and emergency funds, and personal feelings about risk. Younger individuals or those with substantial funds might have higher risk tolerance, while others may prefer a more conservative approach. You're paid what you ask, not what you're worth. Waiting for your boss to offer a raise based on goodwill is not how capitalism works. The value of your work is subjective and difficult to measure. However, individuals who are confident and assertive in salary negotiations often secure higher compensation, even if their value to the organization isn't significantly greater than others. Develop strong negotiation skills to ensure fair compensation, but avoid demanding unrealistic amounts. Your worth should ideally be reflected in your compensation, so do thorough research and make a well-supported request during salary negotiations. You don't need to be a millionaire to live a millionaire lifestyle. Living a millionaire lifestyle doesn't require actually spending like a millionaire. Instead of buying expensive items like a Lamborghini, which come with additional costs and liabilities, consider renting a supercar or a yacht for occasional enjoyment. It's safer, financially more viable, and still allows you to experience the luxury lifestyle without the burdensome expenses. Earn internationally. Spend in your local currency. Freelancers are likely already aware of this, but we will still share the following information because many people are unaware of the potential benefits. Earning in a foreign currency and spending in your national currency can be a wise financial move for a few reasons. Firstly, if you earn in a currency stronger than your national currency, you can increase your purchasing power. For example, if you earn in US dollars but live in a country with a weaker local currency, your earnings will go further when converted to your national currency. This allows you to save money, invest in assets, or improve your standard of living. Earning in a foreign currency can provide protection against inflation and economic uncertainties in your home country. If your national currency experiences high inflation or other economic issues, the value of your savings and earnings can significantly decrease. Additionally, earning in a foreign currency diversifies your income stream and provides stability during uncertain economic times. If your national currency undergoes a downturn, finding work or maintaining your earnings may become challenging. Having income in a foreign currency acts as an additional safety net to help you weather those economic storms. This is especially true for individuals living in developing economies. By leveraging this to your advantage, you can make the most of your money. However, it is essential to ensure that you comply with the law. Pay yourself first. This principle, though not universally applied in business, should be considered a golden rule in your personal life. The idea behind paying yourself first is that prioritizing your financial well-being is crucial for long-term stability and success. By allocating a portion of your income to savings or investments before paying expenses or bills, you establish a habit of building wealth and achieving financial independence. Financial experts often recommend this approach, as it encourages consistent saving and discourages spending on non-essential items. It is important to budget properly while following this principle, using credit to your advantage. It involves understanding the benefits and risks of credit and using it responsibly. Smart individuals utilize credit in various ways, such as building credit, taking advantage of rewards programs, and financing larger purchases. Building credit is essential for obtaining loans and other financial products with favorable terms and interest rates. Credit cards with rewards programs can earn cashback, points, or air miles. Using credit cards strategically to maximize rewards while paying balances in full helps avoid interest charges. Additionally, credit can be used to finance larger purchases like a car or a home, but this should be done cautiously. Researching options, comparing interest rates, and negotiating terms are important. It is crucial to avoid excessive debt by using credit only for necessary expenses and maintaining a low credit utilization ratio. Budget literally everything. Budgeting offers several advantages in achieving financial goals. Firstly, it provides a clear overview of income and expenses, enabling informed decisions on allocating money. This prioritizes spending and avoids overspending. Secondly, budgeting helps save money by identifying areas where expenses can be reduced. Thirdly, it helps avoid debt by ensuring sufficient funds to cover expenses and debts. Lastly, budgeting reduces stress and anxiety by providing a sense of control over finances and facilitating future planning. Staying disciplined is key to effective budgeting. Spending less than you earn. By spending less than you earn, you have surplus money that can be used to pay off debt, invest, or save for the future. This approach aids in achieving financial goals, such as buying a house, starting a business, or retiring comfortably. Moreover, spending less than you earn helps avoid debt and financial stress since you live within your means, rather than relying on credit to meet your needs. Overall, spending less than you earn is a crucial component of financial stability and long-term wealth building. Practice tax avoidance rather than engaging in cash evasion. Tax avoidance is a legal strategy used to minimize tax liability without resorting to illegal tax evasion. It involves employing legal tax strategies such as utilizing tax deductions and credits, investing in tax-deferred retirement accounts, and structuring business transactions efficiently to reduce the amount of taxes owed. Although there is an ongoing debate regarding the ethical implications of tax avoidance, some argue that it contributes to societal inequality. Nevertheless, others view it as a smart financial planning practice. Ultimately, whether to engage in tax avoidance or not is a personal decision. It is crucial to be aware of the legal and ethical considerations and seek advice from qualified tax professionals when making tax-related decisions. Thank you for watching, and remember to subscribe to our channel for more valuable insights on financial literacy. Until next time, stay financially empowered.